Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and today I'm going to show you the block that's called Contrary Wife. And it's in our quilt. Right here is the one I put in the quilt, and we'll proceed to show you how to put it together. So if you think of it as a 9-patch, which if you've noticed a lot of blocks kind of lay out like a 9-patch, and then in this case we need to do half square triangles. To do a half square triangle, you take one of your fabrics, and I use a 1/4 inch seam marker, and sometimes I put it on the corner and draw my line, and sometimes I go up a little. And the reason I go up a little is sometimes my line doesn't line up right with that corner, and I like my lines to be right on top of the corner, not try to guess. I take my pencil, I draw a line on each side, and that is my stitch line. Okay, I have that done. I'm going to line up my two pieces, and I'm going to sew them quickly. Here. And with this I do what we call chain piecing. So you do one right after the other. When I get to the end, I just pick it up, turn around, and go back the other way. Separate, and then cut, and you can use your rotary cutter or just cut from point to point. Boom. And then press to the light. Remember, the rule is press to the light or the less bulky. Once we have them all pressed, we're going to clip our dog ears, because if nothing else, those get in the way. So I clip your dog ears, and then place your pieces in your layout and sew together. Now, we've sewn many of our 9 patches together, and remember, here it is. From your perspective, I'll fold them this time, from your perspective, you're going to take this one and flip it over and sew it, and then this one, then this one. Once those are sewn, you open them up and you grab the other one, and etc. I think you can figure that out. We've done it many times. It's the way we handle our 9 patches. So once you have those sewn together, to do the pot holder, I added just a simple border, 1.5 inch strips. Those are 6.5s, top and bottom. Gotta remember, all the cutting measurements for the square are on our blog spot called Fabric Junction Jewels .blogspot.com. Gotta remember all them dots in there. Once you have your pot holder sewn together, you'll need a backing. Well, they all wanted to come. They want to stick to each other today. A backing. I like to add a piece of batting. It's not necessary. That's a cotton batting. But I do use Insulbrite, because that's the one that really insulates nice. If you don't use that, you almost need 3 to 4 layers of the cotton to give you that same insulated factor. Put them together, put it on here, stitch as you want. I did a little stitch in the ditch, a little cross in the corners. Stitch it however you like. Add your binding, and there is your pot holders, and done with the block called Contrary Wife. Check us out at junctionfabric.com and our Facebook page and the blog site and all of it. You know, we're on there. Chris does a great job of keeping us up to date on that stuff. If you get close by, stop by and say hi. Thank you again for watching us here at Fabric Junction.